Hello, my passionate English learners. Today we will go through Unit 26, can, could and be able to. Let's move on then.
Can.
Fe'li biror narsa mumkin yoki ruxsat etilganligini yoki kimdir biror narsa qilish qobiliyatiga ega ekanligini aytish uchun ishlatiladi.
Can.
Dan keyingi fe'l infinitiv shaklida keladi.
Can do, can see.
Va hokazo.
We can see the lake from our bedroom window.
Yotoqxonamiz derazasidan ko'lni ko'rishimiz mumkin.
Can you speak any foreign language?
Biror chet tilida gaplasha olasanmi?
I can come and see you tomorrow if you like.
Agar xohlasang, ertaga kelib seni ko'rib ketishim mumkin.
I don't have a pen.
You can use mine.
Menda ruchka yo'q. Menikidan foydalanishing mumkin.
Can.
Ning inkor shakli.
Can't, cannot.
Ko'rinishida bo'ladi.
I can't come to the party on Friday. Juma kuni bazmga kela olmayman.
Mike cannot play the piano.
Mike pianino chala olmaydi.
Diego cannot speak English very well.
Diego ingliz tilida yaxshi gapira olmaydi.
Can.
Ning o'rniga
Be able to.
ni qo'llash mumkin, lekin ko'pincha
Can.
ning o'zi ishlatiladi.
Are you able to speak any foreign language?
Biror chet tilida gaplasha olasanmi?
Lekin
Can.
ning faqat ikki shakli mavjud.
Can, present.
Va
Could, past.
shuning uchun ba'zida
Be able to.
ni qo'llashga to'g'ri keladi. Taqqoslang.
I can't sleep.
Men uxlay olmayapman.
I haven't been able to sleep recently.
Oxirgi paytlar uxlay olmadim.
Tom can come tomorrow.
Tom ertaga kela oladi.
Tom might be able to come tomorrow.
Tom ertaga kela olishi mumkin.
Maria can speak French, Spanish and English. Maria fransuz, ispan va ingliz tillarida gaplasha oladi. Applicants for the job must be able to speak 2 foreign languages. Ishga da'vogarlar ikkita chet tilida gapira olishlari kerak.
Could.
Va
Was able to. Could.
bu
Can.
ning o'tgan zamon shakli.
Could.
Ayniqsa quyidagilar bilan qo'llaniladi.
See, hear, smell, taste, feel, remember, understand.
Lydia spoke in a low voice, but I could understand what she said.
Lydia past ovozda gapirdi, lekin men uning gapini tushuna oldim.
We had a lovely room in the hotel. We could see the lake.
Mehmonxonada xonamiz ajoyib edi. Biz ko'lni ko'ra olardik.
As soon as I walked into the room, I could smell gas.
Xonaga kirishim bilan gaz hidini sezdim, ya'ni seza oldim.
Could.
Shuningdek, biror kishi nimadir qila olish qobiliyatiga yoki ruxsatiga ega bo'lganda qo'llaniladi.
My grandfather could speak 5 languages.
Bobom 5 ta tilda gaplasha olgan.
We were completely free. We could do everything we wanted.
Biz mutlaqo bo'sh edik. Istagan ishimizni qila olardik. Ya'ni bizga ruxsat berilgan edi.
I could swim when I was 5.
Men 5 yoshimda suza olganman.
Could.
Umuman qobiliyatni ko'rsatish uchun qo'llaniladi. Lekin ma'lum bir vaziyatda sodir bo'lgan voqeani tasvirlash uchun
Was, were able to.
yoki
Managed to.
ishlatiladi.
Could.
Emas.
The fire spread through the building quickly, but everybody was able to escape. The fire spread through the building quickly, but everybody managed to escape.
Yong'in tezda bino bo'ylab tarqalib ketdi, ammo hamma qochishga muvaffaq bo'ldi.
They didn't want to come with us at first, but we managed to persuade them. They didn't want to come with us at first, but we were able to persuade them.
Avvaliga ular biz bilan bormoqchi emas edilar, lekin biz ularni ko'ndira oldik. Taqqoslang.
Jack was an excellent tennis player. He could beat anybody.
Jek ajoyib tennis o'yinchisi edi. U har kimni yenga olardi.
U umuman har kimni yengish qobiliyatiga ega edi. Lekin
Jack and Alf had a game of tennis yesterday. Alf played very well, but in the end Jack managed to beat him.
Jek va Alf kecha tennis o'ynashdi. Alf juda yaxshi o'ynadi, lekin oxirida Jek uni yenga oldi.
u Alfni aynan o'sha o'yinda yengishga muvaffaq bo'ldi.
Couldn't, could not.
Inkor formasini barcha vaziyatlarda qo'llash mumkin.
My grandfather couldn't swim.
Bobom suza olmas edilar.
We looked for David everywhere, but we couldn't find him.
Biz Davidni hamma joyda qidirdik, lekin uni topa olmadik.
Alf played well, but he couldn't beat Jack.
Alf yaxshi o'ynadi, lekin Jackni yenga olmadi.
Shu bilan Unit 26 o'z nihoyasiga yetdi.
Endi odatdagidek leksika uz saytiga kirib, ushbu unitga tegishli test savollariga javob bering va olgan bilimlaringizni sinab ko'ring. Shuningdek, ushbu rolik uchun like va kommentlaringizni ayamang. Bu kanalimiz rivoji uchun katta yordam beradi. Do'stlaringizga ham darslarimiz haqida xabar bering va ingliz tilini birgalikda o'rganing. Omad!